In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wells Fargo Apple Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any cards on a Wells Fargo account that are eligible to be used inside of a digital wallet like Apple Pay, you will have the ability to link them with Apple Pay inside of the latest version of the mobile app. All that you have to do is update the app to the latest version, open it up, and sign into your account. Once you are inside of the app, on the account where you have the card that you are going to be linking to Apple Pay, select the specific account from the home screen and tap on Manage Account. By scrolling down on the Manage Account window, you should be able to find the digital wallet settings. As you can see, there is going to be either the Google Pay wallet or Apple Pay wallet at the top, and then followed by PayPal or other digital wallets. If all that you want to do is use Wells Fargo and Apple Pay, tap the first option when you go over to Manage Account, and immediately you will see a list of all the cards that can be attributed to your Apple wallet. Select any of the cards listed in there, and as long as you are redirected to your Apple wallet and you link the specific card, anytime you choose to use Apple Pay as a payment method, you can go ahead and select this card to process the payment. You can also do it manually if you open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and at the top right corner of the screen tap the plus sign. This will allow you to select a debit or credit card, and you just have to type the details about the Wells Fargo card that you want to link manually. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to link your Wells Fargo accounts to Apple Pay and use them as a payment method whenever you choose to pay online or in store. You can remove them at any time, and you can repeat this process if necessary if you have multiple cards that you want to link to Apple Pay from Wells Fargo. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wells Fargo with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.